Hi everyone, I'm Afli from Mint.io, and today I'm going to show you how to add Mint.io to your Canvas environment. First, log into Canvas and go to the relevant course. Next, find the lesson to which you want to add the activity and click on the plus sign next to it. This should open a pop-up window with all the different options. Go to the Add bar and select External Tool. That will display the list of available tools that were set up by the IT team. Find and select Mint.io, then scroll down to the page name bar to name the activity, and save by clicking on the Add Item button. Finally, click on the Publish button on the activity to allow the students to see it. To find out how the students will see it, I'm going to switch to a student account, because the student view mode doesn't enable the user to go to Mint.io. Logged in from the student account, we can see that when the students log into Canvas and click on the Mint.io activity, they get to a page which invites them to open Mint.io directly from Canvas with no additional sign-in. Clicking on the Open Mint.io button takes them to the courses team. From there, they just need to click on the relevant discussion and join in.
I hope that was helpful. For more questions, please feel free to reach out at support@mint.io. Thank you for watching.